Hi, yoga buddies. Today we're going to do a gentle yoga flow to help heal your mind, body, and soul. If you like yoga with Jade and Mel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin slowly and gently together. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, let knees fall open, arms resting softly by your sides or on your legs. Lying on back, knees bent, feet grounded, hips gently lifted. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Let's stay very still and take slow, calm breaths together for 30 seconds. Feel your body resting, your mind calming, and your heart feeling peaceful. You did an amazing job today. Your body worked gently and your mind stayed calm. If you enjoyed this healing yoga, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. Thank you for practicing with us. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.